up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Daily Reel. Today, we're going to be replacing the ground wire on the battery on the hatch and relocating the transmission ground. So let's get started. Cleaned my car out yesterday and vacuumed it, so it looks a lot better than what it did. Straighten some things up and all that. Bear with the camera being shaky for a second, guys. Okay, here it is. Now, I was out here, I think, like 2 or 3 nights ago, and I was having a really bad problem with the car. I didn't get to record what I did because it was dark out, it was late, and, well, I just needed to get it done quick, fast, and in a hurry for work the next day. So I'm going to take my airbox off to make it easier to get to, give myself more room. Now that down there was worse than what it looks like now. This was all rusted, all to shit, all over the whole thing. The transmission ground wasn't even grounded out worth a damn. So, and that doesn't even look that great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo it. I'm going to replace this one. Now the fan is tied into it, so I'm just going to retie that in elsewhere and give it its own ground. Probably tie it in right here or something. I don't even know yet. But the transmission's going to get its own ground. Possibly. Hell, I don't even know that yet, but we'll figure it out. It might even go right there. But I'm going to start taking all this apart, and I'll be back. Alright, we're back. And I just got done cleaning that point of contact. You can see how much cleaner it is from how it was a few minutes ago. That's the ground wire I took off, and this is actually still fairly fucking dirty. So we're just going to replace that. And it's tied into the ground wire for this fan because it's on a stay on. That's the power wire, all dangling all out there and all. Now this I did redo and spliced it, stripped it, cleaned it. That's the ground wire for the transmission. I haven't decided where I'm going to put that yet. And this is the bolt from it. Rusted all the shit. But we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. And after a whole bunch of wire brushing and scraping paint, cleaning surfaces, brand new top battery terminal connection, a clean ground connection to the chassis. I redid the ground for the transmission because there wasn't even a connection on it. It was a 10 running through the wire. I regrounded it to the chassis itself. And then I also regrounded that one for the fan and cleaned it up. That's the fan, that's the transmission, that's the battery. Brand new connections, clean surfaces. So we're going to go for a test drive here in a minute just to see how much better she does now. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear me over how loud the car is. Let me shut the door. It sounded so much better when it started up. Instead of it bogging down a little bit on it turning over. Had a lot more pep. It sounded a whole hell of a lot better. Oh, by the way, off topic, I wanted to give a shout out to Budget Racing. Y'all guys' channel is freaking awesome. Keep her fucking tuned. Not to steal y'all's line, but I love y'all's slogan. This dude with the fucking B20V saying the slogan all the time. But shout out to Budget Racing. Keep the channel coming. Keep the material coming. And I'm definitely keeping her fucking tuned.